In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail font. First, let's open Gmail. On your device, locate the Gmail application or navigate to the Gmail website using your preferred browser. If you're using a mobile device, you will see the app icon, which usually resembles an envelope with a G on it. For desktop users, type in the web address gmail.com in the address bar and press enter. Once Gmail loads, you should see your inbox filled with messages. This is your starting point for composing emails. It's important to ensure you are logged into the account you wish to use. This access is crucial because it allows you to make changes and customize your emails to your preference. Now let's click on the Compose button. This button is typically located on the left side of the screen. It often appears as a plus sign or a pencil icon. When you click it, a new window or panel will pop up where you can create your message. Here, you'll notice fields for the recipient's email address, subject line, and the body of the email. This is where the fun begins, as you can start to format your text. The Compose window is essential because it provides the space for you to express your thoughts clearly. Next, type or select the text you want to format. You can either type out a new message or choose an existing text that you want to modify. If you're modifying, you can click and drag your cursor to highlight the text. Highlighting is important because it tells Gmail exactly which part of your message you want to change. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for customizing your email to better convey your message. If the formatting toolbar isn't already visible, click the formatting options icon. This icon looks like a capital A with an underline beneath it and is located at the bottom of the Compose window. Clicking this will reveal the formatting toolbar, which contains various options for text enhancement. It's important to ensure the toolbar is visible, as this is where you will find all the tools you need to customize your text effectively. You will see a range of options appear, allowing you to enhance the appearance of your message. Now, use the toolbar to change the font. The default font is often set to something standard, but you can click on the font drop-down menu to see different styles available. Choose a font that reflects your personal style or the tone of your message. This little step matters because the right font can make your email more engaging and easier to read. A well-chosen font helps convey professionalism or warmth depending on your needs. Next, adjust the font size. In the same toolbar, locate the font size drop-down. It typically has options ranging from small to huge. Click and select a size that makes your text legible and appropriate for your audience. Choosing the right size is essential for ensuring that your recipients can read your message without straining their eyes. After that, you can apply bold, italic, or underline styles. These options are also found within the toolbar. Using these styles can help emphasize important points in your message. For instance, bold text grabs attention, while italics can indicate a new thought or a quote. Underlining can be used for titles or key phrases. This is significant as it enhances the readability and impact of your email. Now, let's change the text color. Click on the text color button in the toolbar, which usually looks like a letter A with a color bar underneath it. You will see a palette of colors to choose from. Select a color that complements your message and is easy to read against the background. This step allows you to express your personality and make your email visually appealing. Finally, adjust the text alignment. You will find alignment options in the toolbar as well. You can choose to align your text to the left, center, or right. This choice can affect the overall layout of your email. Aligning text properly helps create a clean and organized appearance, ensuring your message is presented well. Now you're ready to send a beautifully formatted email. Each of these steps helps to create a polished look for your messages. With practice, you'll become quick and efficient at formatting your emails. Happy emailing!